Recommend a Smart PDU to everyone. Yishu Intelligent PDU April series. First of all, it has a digital tube display, simple and intuitive, allowing you to understand the status of the device at a glance. Secondly, the product supports director sub-controls. Each device is independently controlled, whether it's a switch, server, router, firewall, etc. In addition, it comes with web page controls, allows you to easily access your device in your browser for remote control. Yishu Intelligent PDU April series supports 3 languages: Chinese, English, and traditional. In particular, taking into account the user request provides a timing of 20 settings. Make your device information clearer. Its operation log function helps you see at a glance how the equipment has been working recently, allows you to adjust your working status at any time. Of course, Yishu Intelligent PDU April series, optional for 8.5 or 2.3 to interface, meet the connectivity requirements in different scenarios. At the same time, the time synchronization function helps you ensure that the device time is consistent. Data is more accurate. In addition, the Smart PDU April series support HTTP, HTTPS, IP4, DHCP, Modbus, API development. It also supports OTA online upgrade so that you can easily integrate with other development software to meet your various needs. A centralized management model can also be implemented through the gateway. Accurate monitoring and control of various activities within the system. Make sure that every step is run according to established rules and standards. Support access to Home Assistant. It can also make it easier for you to control various devices in your home. Enjoy the convenience of smart home living.